Chances are you probably hate design iterations, especially if you've traditionally used 2D software. Because that means you have to go and update every little detail of your design and drawing each time any changes are made. And then make sure you don't forget to update any additional views that are related to those changes. As I'm sure you know, this is a time-consuming and error-prone process. SolidWorks takes a different approach and allows you to build intelligence into your designs. So instead of requiring you to update every little entity when it's time to make design iterations, you can simply plug in parameters and let the software do the work for you. Let's look at an example. Let's say we're designing a staircase with railing, and we know from past experience that the primary changes our customer will request as we go through different design iterations are modifications to the angle of the staircase and the height. We can use this information to build intelligence into our design. So when our customer comes back and asks us to change these dimensions for the 5th or 6th time, it's a fast, simple, and error-free process. Let's jump into the software and see what this looks like. Here you can see our design has been started using a 3D sketch, which allows you to easily capture all of the major information about the shape of the staircase and railing, including the height and angle measurements. From there, we've used a built-in tool called Structure Systems that allows us to easily add standard extruded shapes to our design. From here, we can make detailed drawings of our design. It's easy to create additional views by dragging and dropping and add any needed dimensions for fabrication. So, let's say we've submitted this initial design to our customer, who then comes back and says, we've got a few changes to make. We want the height to the first platform to be 5 foot 10 inches, the height to the second platform to be 4 foot 2 inches, and the angle to be 35 degrees. Now, doing this type of change in a 2D environment typically involves updating everything. Let's see how SolidWorks simplifies this process. Because of the intelligence we've built into the design and the fact that SolidWorks is fully associative, this design iteration is a snap. We'll first get into the equations dialog and plug in the new parameters. After a quick update, the model now reflects those changes. Great. But what about the drawing? SolidWorks drawings update automatically when their referenced models are changed, meaning you never have to worry about views being out of date or having to recreate views for a minor change. Another area where SolidWorks really shines is BOM management. Manual creation of BOMs are a thing of the past because now you can insert an automatic BOM with a few simple clicks. You can even automatically insert callout balloons in a Flash. So as you can see, taking advantage of these SolidWorks tools can enable your business to more quickly deliver projects to your customers with a higher degree of accuracy and less rework. An MLC can train, implement, and support you along the way.